made 7 figures in crypto, but I've also lost 120K on a single trade. So if I had to start again from 100K and build it up to $1 million, here's how I do it in crypto. Now, the first thing you need to understand is that altcoins will outperform Bitcoin if you're in the right altcoins at the right time. Right now, I believe is an amazing time where you're going to get good growth on altcoins over the next 12 months. They're going to outperform Bitcoin. Ultimately, if you want to get from 100K to $1 million, that's a 10x. It's a big growth. You need to take risk, and you also need to think about cycles. You need to take advantage of where we are right now with the altcoin sectors. Take profits probably in the next 12 months when we start to hit the peak of this cycle. I believe it's going to go well into next year. Take profits on those altcoins, stack stable coins. The next downward period is going to probably take, let's say it could be up to a year, could be 2 years. You then redeploy those stables back into the bear market, which is going to give us really good exposure to undervalued altcoins when all the pain is, and then you go again. Now, on that second cycle, you're then going to want to rotate a lot of those altcoins into Bitcoin because you want to preserve that wealth. But where do I put that 100K into 1 million right now is ultimately the layer one sectors. I believe these layer ones, Ethereum, Solana, etc., are going to outperform Bitcoin. But you need to make sure you're tracking the cycle appropriately to take profits at the right time, because you need to be risk on to get a 10x growth, which means you're going to be far more into altcoins. If you miss the top, you're going to delay this for a long, long time. But it is possible, but it's probably going to take you 2 cycles, and you need to do it absolutely perfectly to do it. So that's how I'd take 100K to $1 million if I was to do it.